Hi guys, me, Kevin, bowling in Arkansas, match play. Let's get it. We got the early matchup against Casey. If you guys don't know, Casey is like my partner in crime. I bowl everything with him, so we're trying to get this done. Two-game update, bowling all right, 220, 220. First game, I kind of had some carry issues, couldn't quite get my ball through the pins. Game 2 on 1 and 2, I missed a move and I split. Had a couple misses in the middle of the game, but still a pretty good 229. And then I start off pocket 7-10, pocket 6-7. So early work to do in game 3, but we're bowling good. I just want everyone to know that this is my Pookie right here. This is Pookie.
It's Pook.
This is Tyler Corman. Exactly. Bowl good.
You too, bro.
He's gonna whoop me, guys. bowling against him, and one ref. All right, I'm bowling your dad. Who do you want to win? You have to tell the camera. You want me to win? I'm sorry, okay? I didn't pay him to say that.
Shots fired. Somebody's walking.
He doesn't know. I gave him a couple bags of Gushers for him to say that. You know, I got to get my fan club up one way or another. Currently 2/3 of the way through the tournament. I am leading right now, bowling very well, definitely in my comfort zone, throwing the purple, doing the slow wheel thing. You guys know, you always talk about how we can only throw purples. It's fine, we do only throw purples. But scores are lower. We are bowling on a pattern that is about 3-1, so a little tougher scoring. You know, that's when the urethane balls come into play. All the right-handers at the top of the standings are also throwing purples. So you guys do it too, you right-handers that yell at us. You guys throw purples too. So let's see if we can keep it going, just one match at a time, try to get our bonus spins. Let's bring home this dub, let's get it. Also PS, the last 2 games I've started off front 3, and then the 4th frame I've gone 6-2. So I have the front 3 this game. Let's try to get more than 6-2. Let's preferably strike, but 6-2 is not what we're trying to do again. As the late great, and I don't mean great, Donald Trump would say, huge. This is my starting pair, where we had 2 lefties throwing urethane, and the other lefties have also hit this pair. I knew it was going to be tricky. I made a pretty big move, struck on the right lane. Left lane did not do the right thing. Pookie, don't forget, that's Pookie. It's Pookie that just, Pookie. Guys, going into position round, I think I have about an 85. Don't worry, I'll wait. I think I have about an 85 pin lead or so. So I just need to not lose by 60 because it's 30 bonus pins. So if I can stay within 50 of my opponent, even if he beats me, that's a W. And we want this one, and I'll tell you guys why if we get there. So one time. Alright guys, Jared just crumpled a 6-pin and pelvic thrusted it. This one's 10 back. Me and Casey have always had a deal where if one of us wins, one of us wins the event, if we both bowl, that person has to pay for the gas money. So I will gladly pay for the gas money.
Thanks,
and that
Biden.
would Thanks, Biden.
Thanks, Biden.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to give some background why this was a pretty emotional win for me. Me and Casey have been bowling the ASBTs I have been bowling for about 11 years. You 15? I mean, how long have you been bowling those for?
About 40.
Okay, about 40 years. The ASBTs, the Arkansas Scratch Bowlers Tour, it was started by Greg O'Neill 40 years ago apparently. When I first started bowling and had no clue what I was going to do in life, Casey took me under his wing, and these were the first things that I ever started bowling and learning how to compete, win, lose, and just a big stepping stone in my bowling career was bowling these events. He had passed away. This was being ran by his daughter Shy and her husband Chase, and this was officially the last ASBT that will ever be ran. So to win this by the O'Neills, it really is an emotional win. I will be honest, I had to fight back a little bit of tears because Greg was one of the best people that I have ever met in the bowling community. Just him as a person, I'm so glad that I got to meet him and be a part of something that he had started and ran for such a long time. So
Greg and all the ASBT crew were fantastic, and that Shania and her husband Chase kept it going was amazing, and I'm just grateful to them for all the events they created for us. Not enough people appreciate tournament directors. Thank your tournament directors.
100%. That's all we got for you guys. Thanks for watching.
We kicking in like FIFA, yeah, 'cause the party won't last forever. Yeah, I mean, it's not gonna last forever.